Austin Henry, Juan Julio, Zoe Woods Olivia, Thea Luis, Lucia Pauline, Zara Avery, Dane Davis, Mary Lynn Wee or Lindsay, Kisha, Sophia Rose, Rowan Millie, Akira James, Sophia Rose or Sophie Rose, Andrea Gill, Nathaniel J. Courtney Claudine, Mikaela, Ayumi Safira, Yuna Isabel, Ezekiel Ray, Anika Cadiz, Janina Zaira Tisha, Gabrielle, Shermel Angel, Rose Jaskin, Justin Calix, Avery Kale, Gabriel Alexi, Matt Daniel, and Dominic. Let's give them a warm round of applause for their masterpieces.
Ako po, witness ko, yung partner ko, pag-drawing. Napakapang-event sa mga coloring. Hindi ko po talent ito. Tawag po dito is Visual Special Intelligence.
Such a remarkable talent. A big round of applause for our artists. Palakpakan naman natin.
Huwag niyo po palang iuwi muna. Gagawin po daw ata sa, dadalhin mo na sa school para gawin po exhibit sa mga visitors natin or other parents that are going to enroll in our school. Maganda mo, no? Snow, hindi ako marunong yan. Galing, galing! Congratulations! Yung parents, huwag yung pong itapon ng mga gawa nila na yan, ha? Huwag yung pong itapon. That is a significant activity and development for their skills. Visual spatial intelligence po ang tawag nila dyan. It's more on painting